How to redeem Kohl's gift card online. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First of all, head over to any of the web browser. Once you are in here, move into the site kohls.com. It will be landing you on the official page of Kohl's. Once you are in here, tap on account at the top right and then click on sign in. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this home page. Now, in order to redeem a gift card, head over to any of the product that you want to purchase. Tap on Add to Cart. This interface will pop up on your screen. Tap on View Cart and Checkout. You will be able to see the detailed information of your product. If you are ready to purchase, tap on Checkout at the top right corner. It will be landing you on the specific page. Now, if you want to redeem a gift card, the option of Add a gift card will be visible to you. Click on it. Now all you want to do is enter your gift card number and then enter the PIN. Once you have entered, tap on Done. Once you click on Done, your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can redeem your Kohl's gift card. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.